How to take two different photos in Bereal. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can take two different photos in Bereal. Now the first to do is to launch the Bereal application. Now at this stage, I must let you know that um you can take two different photos at the same time on Bereal because whenever you are to post a picture or a video on Bereal, whenever you take a picture or a video, before Bereal update or posts this, it takes like 3 seconds, alright? So within the process of waiting for a picture to be uploaded, you can just click on the camera flip icon next to the circle icon on the recording page for you to be able to do this. Now currently I cannot show you this vividly because I can no longer post any picture or video for today due to the restriction on my account. Alright, so just click on once you launch the app on the posting page, you would see a circle icon at the lower part of the screen. You just click on it. Once you click on this circle icon, you'll be taken to another page where you have to take your picture or take a video depending on what you want to do. And then once you select it, once you're on this page, you would you will take your picture. After taking your picture, immediately click on the camera flip icon next to the circle icon. Once you click on this, it will flip back to the back or to the front, depending on where it was before. And then once it flips, take that picture that you would like to take immediately as well. And then you would see that two pictures would appear on your post automatically. So that's how it goes. That's how you can take two different pictures on Be Real. Thanks for watching.